Many people are curious about ability, to work overseas, and it's a great experience. Like you can go and live in some warm countries. From that point of view, those who consider career of a business lawyer, how do you think on which particular elements of practice, because there are many specialities within the practice, right? What are those specialities, and which of those are more likely to be in demand overseas?
I think some of the highest disciplines in demand in terms of business law are things like mergers and acquisitions and taxation. Corporate taxation, if you look online and you look for jobs around the world, there are always jobs in, I'm trying to think of a nicer word than tax havens, but places like, the Cayman Islands, where they're looking for specialists in tax to help set up companies, or, offshore companies, things like that. The mergers and acquisitions, especially, things like cross-border mergers and acquisitions, there's a lot of work in places like Hong Kong, for example, Singapore. Definitely a very common area. I'm working at the moment, I'm in Vietnam, and I know another British lawyer who works for Freshfields, who does mergers and acquisitions, who had previously done that in Hong Kong, in fact. So it's quite a big area if you want to travel around the world and practice business law.